So, hello, Soundarya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm Shushmita from Quality Department CMTI, and
Yes.
congratulations for your placement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can you just tell me about yourself?
Okay, ma'am. Myself, Soundarya. I am from Shimoga. I have completed my BE in Civil Engineering. After that, I have joined CMTI for IDM course here, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how do you know about CMTI?
Through social media, and some of my seniors joined here and they got placed, ma'am.
So, how was your learning experience with CMTI?
It was good. When I joined here, I don't know about the interiors and all because I am from civil engineering. Then I came to know about interiors basics, about all interiors.
Which course have you taken in CMTI?
Interior design management course.
Have you taken to any sites or showrooms
Yes,
during
ma'am.
the internship? Okay.
I have visited many sites like IBO, Material Depot,
Okay.
Paper Freight, Penista,
Okay.
Aristo Factory, ma'am.
Okay. Can you just tell me about what are the softwares have you learned here?
Here I learned about AutoCAD, Sketchup, and one rendering software, VLM.
Okay. And then how was the support of the trainers and the staffs at CMTI?
Uh, they gave information about how interiors will go on and what are the interview questions and all, ma'am.
Okay. And how was your interview preparation and all?
I gone through the source given by the CMTI.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
How many interviews have you attended?
This is my first attempt.
Okay. So you got selected there.
I got selected in design cafe.
Okay. Then how was your experience during the course?
It was good, ma'am. I come to know about interiors, basics, about the modular industry and all that.
So what would you suggest to your upcoming juniors who would like to learn
I
at
will
CMTI?
suggest to join here, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Join. I will say, okay, you can join here.
Okay. Then again, congratulations again. And
Thank
thank you.
you. Thank you so much.